A ding a ding. Nope, not ding ding time yet. I'm early. I'm early on the ding dings. Woke up this morning, 4 a.m. Woke up this morning at 4 a.m. I got nothing. I was gonna try and spit a bar. I woke up about 4 a.m. Put some Bitcoin in my Mercedes Benz. Ding ding, ding ding. Ding 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 ding. CPI today or this morning came in a little cold, came a little frosty. Better than expected on all the CPIs, best since December 2021. Market had a little pump. Now it looks like it's what's going on here? What's going on? Coinbase was up. Now Coinbase is down like a buck. What the hell? Calm down there, Coinbase. Coinbase had a big pump because I believe it's because all the ETFs name them as like the custodian and whatchamacallit. Yeah, Tom, people understand what oh, the dust on my desk. What the? All right, I'm just gonna out of sight, Adam. Kurt in the house. How you doing, brother? Good morning. What was because yeah, listed Coinbase is the custody and auditor, like auditing thing. Tom, the chat isn't visible. It's instead your desktop. Oh yeah, I got G-Mini Christmas, Kurt. Like, calm your tits, bro. I was getting to that. Dog. Thanks for the heads up, though. I'm giving you a hard time, but yeah, I was working on that. Yeah, bro. I was kidding and very appreciative. Calm your tits. Settle your sizzle chest down. I see the hearts. I'm a one-man show over here. It's not like I have a lighting guy, a sound guy, investigators, any team. No thumbnail guy, no shorts guy. I'm a lean, mean running machine. We got another prescriber on YouTube. You have no idea how I get excited over gaining prescribers again. We did pretty good last bull run. You know, I went from 0 to over 1,000. And then during that bear market, they were bleeding. It was bleeding dry. And now every like one or two, like I'm up 2 in the last 30 days. It is freaking amazing. Is that an indication that we got a bull market going on? Like at the start of a bull market? This was as low as like 1187, 86 maybe at one point. Working our way back to you, babe. Speaking of, yesterday I said we needed like 10 likes. 10 likes. And I was going to do an Adam Jones follow-up, part 2. We got 6 likes and 7 likes. So, and my goal is simple. 10 likes a day. Little small easy goal, get them 10 likes, work our way up, and then next thing you know, we got like 15, 20 likes, and then my prescriber goal is 10K. You know, it's a lofty goal. There's you couldn't see the hearts. We're gonna see more money in Cardano now that algo closes. Yeah, I retweeted a tweet. I don't know the full breadth of what's going on in Algorand. They had a hack or something. I think that was the beginning of their downfall. And it's just been downhill ever since. I saw that one of their DeFi is closing down. Is that the only DeFi they have? Are they going to come to Cardano is a good question. I feel like there was like a very love-hate relationship, mostly from Algorand. Like I'd see Algorand people kind of shitting on Cardano, I don't know that I ever saw Cardano people shitting on Algorand. Cardano people would rather focus on Solana. They don't. I guess they didn't see Algorand as a threat. They would rather focus on Solana and Ethereum, having a little dick measuring contest between those two. Cardano 15, is that where it's been? 218 million. Kavin, D-Chain, and Pulse is having a little surge for it. It's got a ways to go to catch Pulse. This is all Richard Hart. Fugazi. Algorand, down 24%. I forget which one. Which one was it? I did retweet it. Algo Fi. That's a third. Oh, these are gray. Does that mean they're no longer available too? Usually that's not a good sign. 151 million. Oh, I don't think I have an Algorand wallet. Yeah, I might actually. Commit closes. So this looks like it's still kind of live. Or it looks like it's still live. I don't know why it's gray. Yeah, I just saw it on your Twitter when I tried to thank you, bro. When you try, you're giving me a hard time because I didn't know I was necessarily gonna do a Twitter today, but you motivated me. Let's get her done. Let's get her done. Get her done. Cardano DeFi will make you rich. What kind of title is that? What kind of clickbait asshole title is that? I'm gonna do an IAG versus NTX video. I kind of wanted to do that this morning, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow. You're not gonna want to miss that one, boys and girls. We've looked at both of those. I'm gonna go get my blood work done this morning, so I didn't want to. And I kind of have a cutoff, and I don't have as much energy because I don't have my pre-workout drink in me, and blah blah blah. So I want to have that big D energy for the IAG versus NTX. One person did comment on a video I did recently, and they kind of put me in my place a little bit. So we'll cover that too. You're not gonna want to miss someone put me in my place. All right. At Nostradamus on Twitter, on Threads that I don't use, on Instagram. Yeah, I'm trying to get into Instagram. All right. Cardano DeFi will make you rich, bitch. I do that on the daily. Put me in my place. Is that what you meant? Pi is random, bro. Oh, I didn't do it, did I? Coit. I love me some coit. All right. Why am I so into supplements? One word's entropy. To a certain degree, heart disease, neurodegeneration, and cancer are diseases of entropy. I agree with that. It's not enough to just resist entropy. You should desire to push back. This guy's kind of an asshole, though. He did a tweet that I'm just like, bro, what the is wrong with you? Let's see if he nope. This woman is mid. Okay. First of all, I'm like, what does that even mean? So I'm assuming it means she's just okay looking. Why? Who is this chick, dude? Like, I wouldn't kick her out of bed. And then he goes on to call her fat. I mean, what a dick. What? That says more about you than her, dick. Built like a linebacker, great face, dick. No chin, dick. Bro, she's fat. She's fat, dude. Like, could she use a little exercise? A little maybe, but she don't look that bad. I can't tell if she's a smoker. I did bet she's probably a smoker, but she doesn't give me 100% smoker vibes. But calling her fat and calling her, like, was this? He looks a little, yeah, whatever, dude. Like, get a life, bro. JT in the house. How you doing, brother? She lost it on a plane about some person not being a real person. Oh, so she's a Karen, and because she was a Karen, he wants to start calling her fat and mid. Like, why? What's wrong with you? Blackjack. Oh, hell yeah, JT. Hopefully you have another winner chicken dinner. All right. Ding ding. Let's see what's going on in the market real quick. It was up. It was down. It was down. It was up. Now it's the miners are green. Man, look at Coinbase, dude. It was up $10. I'm tempted. Oh, so tempted to sell covered calls here, but not now that it's down $2. I mean, I could go to 150. No, I could go to 150 and make $1,000. And as long as Coinbase doesn't go above $150, which would be a first world problem, it's easy money. Problem is I think Coinbase going to 400, and if it gets a big move now, there's only a 4% chance of that even touching. But I got a plan, and I'm sticking to it. I do not want to suffer the agony of my Coinbase shares being called away and chasing it back with selling puts and etc. Coinbase is going to the moon. Well, surprised it's down $2 right now. NASDAQ up 150. Holy shit. That's good for the good kids. Why is Coinbase down then? Silver with a Monsita move up 82 cents. That is a monster move. E-mini S&P up 35, monster. Gold up 21 at 1959, pushing that 2K level again. What is this, copper? We never look at copper. Crude oil up $1, $75, $76 a barrel again. 70's the new 60 in oil. Oil we get like $60 during the summer, 70, 80 the new 60. Bitcoin futures down 30, but it's up. Nah, it looks like it's pretty boring over in crypto right now. Volatility down 58 cents. Holy shnikes. I haven't pulled that one out in a while. The Dow Jones futures, who cares? Bonds up 18 ticks. That's good for the good kids, but it's still down quite a bit. The yield curve, I believe, is steepening and getting better. Corn, the softs, corn, soybeans are up, and wheat is down. Why is wheat down? Wheat harvest should be kicking off right now, back in the Midwest. I don't know what conditions have been like. They've been having droughts, been having crop problems. Is that why wheat's down? Wheat harvest is in full swing. A lot of bushels coming into the co-ops. Well, I wonder how many people even know what the hell a co-op is. That's the Kansas coming out of me. All right, let's head on over to the cryptos. Actually, let's look at the charts really quick, and the NASDAQ and the SPY. Ooh, we got a gap up. We got a gapper, boys. We don't like gaps. Yep. This one's got to come back. This one's got to come back. This one's got to come back down to here. Eventually, soon. Let's get it over. And there's another gap like way down here. So who knows? I mean, gaps might not get filled for years, or they can happen right away. So And there's like a 8% chance it never gets filled. Total crypto market cap 1.15, up a C hair. The bull flag, these bull flags continue to play out. Mintos in the house. How you doing? Title should be Pulse Chain. I just linked in Discord. God damn, bro. Just coming in, telling me what to do. Did you buy bait? Legit shot to 10x. What is this? Like I said, this has a legit shot to 10x yesterday, but what are you saying here? I know this isn't the video you're talking about, but did you buy it? Not legit. You think it's hilarious that this has a legit shot to 10x? Yeah. What the hell was I thinking? This doesn't have a legit shot to 10. Oh, let me think about this. 10x. No. This has a legit. This doesn't have a legit shot to 10x in the next bull run. I was just talking out my ass. I obviously wasn't. This is not going to be $660,000 in the next bull run. It might 3x, 2 or 3x, but who wants 2 and 3x's when you can get 10x's on Cardano and DeFi and stake? It's a funny no, I don't know. Calm down, Kurt. What's going over here in Cardano ADA? I'm getting savage FOMO on ADA. I had some last night, but I keep looking, blah, blah, blah. The FUD is brainwashing me. I'm not going to make it. You're going to make it, bro. Random. Oh, all right. So this is relevant. I don't think the video. Gosh darn it. You're making me work way too hard on this one. I'll tell you that right now. I don't know if Discord. I mean, I don't know which Discord. Oh, I gotta play it on TikTok, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm telling you, I'm getting the fuck off, and there's a reason why I'm getting the fuck off, and everyone can either believe it or they cannot believe it. I don't give two fucks, but I am telling you right now, that motherfucker back there is not real. And you can sit on this plane and you can fucking die with it or not. I'm not going to. So this is splicing two things together, I guess? I don't know. Or is that like a joke all the way around? I mean, she... And there's a reason why I'm getting the fuck off, and everyone can either believe it or they cannot believe it. I don't give two fucks, but I am telling you right. Yeah, I think she smokes just by the way she holds her fingers. That motherfucker back there is not real. Let's see if we can catch it. And you can sit on this plane and you're getting the fuck off, and there's a reason why I'm getting the fuck off, and everyone can either believe it. Yeah, see, I think she's a smoker. They just added Zuck. I mean, I'm fatter than her, so I mean, she could use a little bit of keto and a little bit of elliptical time, but hey, she's crazy. She's more than welcome to come over to your boy's house. You know what I'm saying? But if she's a smoker, I don't know. I'm not. That's kind of where I draw the line. They just added Zuck. Yeah, Ricky's bricked. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? Yeah, I'm bricked, bro. I'm bricked. Crazy. But I died last night when it panned. So you saw this video last night? Oh, he had a nice little gulp on his shit. All right, total crypto. Actually, how are we doing here? Where are we at from all-time highs, which is just insane. We're in a recession, and we're 9% from all-time highs in the NASDAQ. We're in a recession, and we're 7.6% from all-time highs in the SPX. Housing mortgages that are at like 50-year highs or some shit. Banking, we have had worse banking crisis than 2000. People can't make sense of it. I mean, it's not that difficult. They pumped several $1 trillion into the system. They devalued the shit out of money. I mean, that's what happened. That's why the stock market is where it's at. When you put a bunch of money out there, it's going to get put to work. So, you know, just like a money devalues, 4,400 SPX is a lot different than a 4,400 SPX 10 years ago. When the yeah, that was an hour and a half ago. It came in really good, like core, and all of them came in like a little bit below. Like now, midnight. Speaking of midnight, where's our midnight? I'm really looking forward to midnight on Cardano. That's going to be a nice one. That's part of the reason the market's up. People were betting on that ahead of time too. I mean, is the reason the market's up. Well, Tom Sosnoff thinks it's going to be a reversal, but I don't know, man. This isn't looking like it's going to reverse. Coinbase, I mean, what the hell, man? Enjoy this rally. What's going on with Tesla? It's up $3.50. Was hoping. Why were you hoping doom and gloom? You're looking to buy that Cardano at 20 cents. Let's see what's going on with the Cardanos. Actually, total DeFi 1.15. It's up 0.5%. We need to break above this 1.26, where the fib played out beautifully. Although it looks like I need to fix this line. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Unbelievable how this played out and got rejected off the fib. It's moving its way back up to a deluxe apartment in the sky. And exactly as predicted, a little bit late. I did say it was going to go down then up. I didn't give it enough downward momentum. But I still think that it's going to break out of this bull flag eventually and then start back up and then make it up to 1.58 trillion. You know, the same's playing out in Bitcoin. 30,005. I've been calling for 38 and then like 42. You know, get up to here on the fib, 36, and then up to like 42. It's in another little mini bull flag. This one didn't play out completely, but it's in another mini one, and this one will break it out to could break it out up to like 38. I know, Kurt, I do got some good news or bad news for you, depending on how you want to look at it. You're worried about this, or we were looking at and worried about this bear flag in Cardano. It's a bit of concern, but bear flags eventually, you know, they can break up or they can break out. And that's exactly what happened to Bitcoin. You know, bull flag after bull flag is played out in Bitcoin. And then at the end of the bull market, it started turning into bear flags, like bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, like this bull flag or descending wedges, descending wedge. Here was a bear flag, technically. Didn't play out. Bull flag played out. Bull flag played out. Another bull flag was starting to form, and then it just fell down. Bear flag fell down. Bear flag fell down. Bear flag fell down. Bear flag fell down. And then there's another bear flag right here. And then, well, the bottom was in. So now it's going back up. I kind of expect the same thing to happen in Cardano. Though, It's not out of the question for this to go one more bear flag down and maybe be able to scoop it up at 21 cents or below again. It's not out of the question. I don't know which one's coming on this one. Cardano doesn't start really coming into play until Bitcoin's had a really nice breakout. And that's where the 40% drop to Bitcoin dominance, the majority of that's going to come. I got distracted by the whack off comment. We'll get back to that. Yeah, so Cardano typically, right? Cardano typically on all the altcoins, Cardano's slow. And then when it goes, it goes. They do have catalysts though that can make it happen earlier. So we'll have to see. Either way, it's accumulation. It's whack off accumulation. Whether or not the chart says whack off accumulation or not, I'm accumulating. Let's see. Would you call this a spring from the whack off? On what time frame? Are we talking Cardano? No. Whack off accumulation? Are you talking daily and whack off accumulation? The only from where's the I guess there is potential. No, I don't think this is a true whack off, even on the daily. I know Crypto Crow was trying to do his is like a redistribution, if I remember correctly. I don't see any real whack off here. It looks I mean, any of these charts can look a little bit. Whack off is more like down, back up to here, back down to here, back. Yeah, this, I guess it's just kind of long. And then it would come up to here and then go down and then spring, maybe. You know me, bro. Technical analysis, bunch of fugazi. Buy it when it's oversold, sell it when it's overbought. It's drastically oversold. It can get more oversold. The more oversold it gets, the more I want to buy. I'm itching to buy just because it's so much fun to buy Cardano. Let's see how I'm doing money wise. My next paycheck's kind of my extra monies. That's a good one. I got a hospital bill I got to finish paying off. They have been messing that bill up for a long time, telling me I owe them $13,000. I'm like, what? My max out of pocket's $3,000. So I only owe like $1,700, and I've already paid $5 off, so I still owe $12. And I don't know. I want to buy. I got a little money. I still got a little money aside, but the real heat hasn't kicked in yet. So maybe I want to buy that Sleep 8, but not really. 8 Sleep or whatever. When I have a little money on the side. What if my AC goes out? I don't want to have to charge a $5,000. It wouldn't be the end of the world. Charge a $5,000 air conditioning unit. If that's even what it would cost. It cost me like $4,000 to replace it 13 years ago. I would imagine it's probably like $8,000 now. That would hurt. I should get, does a home warranty cover replacing your AC? Maybe I should get a home warranty. I never did get, I need to look into that. All right. Let's look at Cardano DeFi. We're not going to do the old borings. Let's see how, I want to look into some of the new stuff. Wait, how's everything? Adam, how the normal players doing? Matic had a little pump up into the 70, like 71. It's back down big. But CryptoVisor, Binance getting hammered. Pepe trying to make me not feel like an idiot. Solana 22. I'm really curious. I have no vibe on what's going to happen to Solana in the next bull run. Is it going to get new all-time highs? Or is it going to fade away into obscurity? I think their new plan's really stupid. It might qualify if you frame the AC as some sort of asset protection. No, I want... Do home warranties cover roofs? That's a good one. Yes, they can. But usually it's an add-on. So it doesn't recover like a replacement. $3,800 to $7,500. I would imagine mine's at least like $5-6 grand right now to replace. I mean, I could charge that or pay some of it and charge and just pay it off really quickly. I wouldn't enjoy it because I got too much money in crypto and I'm not selling it. You had your roof fully replaced for $2K because it was like leaks and shit. I have one of those like 50-year roofs made out of, I don't know, those the brick shit. Stucco, stucco. If is that what it's called? Stucco roof. Yeah, this shit. That looks exactly like my roof. Them bitches last a long time. 50 to 80 years. Yeah. All right. They're ugly, and you don't have to have that shit replaced all the time. You know me. I want to test. I wonder what the life expectancy of a Tesla solar roof, the real solar roof, like the dope ones, dude. But those are too pricey. Near zero. Aptos has got really bad tokenomics, according to Invest Answers, and they're just dumping tokens like crazy. So I'm gonna listen to him on that one and avoid this one. Phantom, meh. Not doing so hot, are you, Phantom? Fedora, that's an ugly looking chart right there. Looks like a snake coming down a tree and then kind of like, right, this the old snake on the tree chart. What is the snake on the tree chart? Does it usually slither down? Ugh. That was Fedora. Here's Clayton. Yeah, that DeFi Kingdoms moving over here was a good move. One sec. I had my window open because it was cool enough outside, but it's starting to heat up. And my neighbor just went outside. I didn't want her hearing me. I don't want her thinking I'm already more crazy than what she already suspects. All right, Harmony 1.012. Yeah, this chain is the bridge is over. The bridge is over. All right, Cardano DeFi. What do we look at here? Make the Is this getting you bricked, Ricky? Ricky. Oh, Ricky, you're so fine. You're so fine. You blow my mind. Hey, Ricky. That was probably disturbing AF, right? Kurt's like, everyone's in the office like, what the hell's wrong with Kurt? Kurt's lost it. All right. Ricky's about to blow. Oh, I got a new calling. My only fans. We're converting. All right, we got so much drama. LinFi, dude, please make sense. Please make sense to me, LinFi. I am convinced that there are projects in Cardano. And I meant to make this a title too. This is what I should have done. I'm convinced certain projects in Cardano are paying influencers tokens as, I don't know, advisors, or like, are they even public about it? It makes no sense how much, like, when you see a lot of people just like constantly blowing up a project, oh, this is great, this is great. And then there's a few that are always being mentioned. LinFi, Moosely, aka Milk, and BiFi are always up there. And now Iagon's a recent one. And you know, I refrained from doing this in Harmony 1 because I didn't, I was worried about my prescribers and pissing people off. But screw it. I'm going to tell you what you need to hear, not what you want to hear. Back in the Harmony 1 days, I clearly saw collusion and like pump and dumps and like projects being spun up by the same people over and over. And there was a lot of Harmony 1 Kool-Aid sippers, Kumbaya. I didn't think much. And then who was that one chick of that game? She ended up being behind a lot of them, right? So it was obvious. I'm seeing this. Obviously, we know the same thing's happening in Cardano with Frosty, right? Frosty spun up Cherry Lynn, Drip Drops, Anita BTC, blah, blah, blah. I don't know if Frosty's a scam artist, right? He's very open about it, right? He's told you, I've cloned these projects and we're going to try and make them work. Some people think he's a scam artist. Cash grabs? Maybe, dude. I don't know. I don't get overall like full-on rug scam vibes from him. I feel like, but I don't know him that well, right? So maybe he is. And I have nothing against LinFi. I love what LinFi is doing, trying to do what they're gonna do. I don't have a problem with BiFi. I really don't have a problem with Milk Moosely Swap, other than it's on Milkomeda, which scares the shit out of me, right? There's too much ERC20 risk there. Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? One had a lot of that. Yeah, smart cookie. I noticed that my Twitter feed, I'm seeing LinFi. Yeah, LinFi and LinFi is huge. And like I said, BiFi and Milk are constantly. I don't think it can. Yeah, I don't. People get scam vibes. I don't know, bro. Don't forget Alex Jones to stream tomorrow. You got to get this video up to 10 likes, bro. You got to get one of 4 videos up to 10 likes. You still got, one of them's at 7 already. But one of the 4 videos, really I should say 2 of the 4 videos need to be to 10 likes. 10 likes per day is a very meager, easy goal to achieve. I don't have my blue light blockers on. Listen, I'm going to put this empty bag here. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I'm not total. No, bitch, come on. No, you bait and switch my ass. You're just trying to. You're just playing your little Ricky games. All right, Cherry. A lot of people are. Cherry's one of them. A lot of people are freaking out. There's ooh, snap, son. Man, I bought some of this and I sold really early. It's back to where I bought it, basically where I bought it at. If I would have held on to this, I could have 3 or 4x my money. But who knows? I probably would have just held on and be back to where I am right now. Why did this happen? I have no idea. He does buy and sell shit across projects to help fund. So, I mean, you're getting into what you're getting into. I wouldn't call any of his projects blue chip. I wouldn't be overly thrilled to use any of his projects, but if they take off, good for him. And then maybe eventually they'll take off and become blue chip, and I will. These are two. One thing I've learned, there's going to be projects that are just going to be farm and dump, farm and dump. And if I'm going to get into a farm and dump, I want to have that mindset right away. And I'm probably not going to go into it too heavy. I'm more than content farming liquid finance that I think is completely undervalued, farming indie finance that I think is completely undervalued. I'm really looking forward to FLAC. There's a few others out there. What does PBX do again? I know we've looked at it a lot. It does not stay in my brain with that Parabum. We looked at it yesterday and I don't even remember what it does. That's how unexcited. Ugh. Indy, come on, baby. This one's breaking down from a bear. This is kind of. Hopefully, it holds on here, right? Because I'm pretty bullish on this one, and I do have money in it. Should I? My initial goal with this was just to farm and sell, farm and sell, farm and sell, and just take the easy money, right? And then, like an idiot, I'm like, I think this is and I still do, but it might not play out. That's the thing. That's the risk. This is an 18 million market cap. I think this is an easy 10 plus X, 100, 200 million, 300, 400, 500 million market cap potentially. DeFi Kingdom's got to $1 billion market cap, and this is a great project. The next, oh my goodness, my eyes itching like crazy. I don't have my eye medicine. Just a FML, right? I don't remember what this shit did, bro. Paribus. Oh, cross-chain borrowing and lending for NFTs, liquidity positions, and synthetic assets. About synthetic assets. We've already got that on Indigo, but they've been smart contract insurance. They're doing too much. Music, crypto domain names. Too much stuff cooking on the stove, bro. Why is it a MetaMask wallet? Are they migrating to Cardano right now? Or is it because it's going to be cross-chain? Yeah, I don't know. We'll keep our eye on it, but it doesn't really make my pickle tickle. And let's take, we can do this. Let's do a quick, I need to add to my Cardano projects. Like, I'm not sure, Paribus in here. How do I, I'm not following them. I want to add them to a list. Oh, there we go. If you follow me at Nostradamus, these lists are public. And then Flag. They have announcements. Testnet concluded. What's their market cap? It's been moving up. 8 million. They have an 8 million market cap. Liquid Finance is only 2 million above it, and Liquid Finance has a working project. Has a good working project. Liquid Finance has a good working project with 28, 30 million in TVL. Yeah, that makes sense. Flack has 0. Like Flack is getting shilled a little bit by the same people that shill the other ones. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean anything, but how are you going to give this? I would not be, if I was in this token, I would be selling the shit out of it. If you're up, if you're in some, deposit T Flack along with T ADA, blah, blah, blah. Here are some highlights. 204 deposits, 517 transactions. That's not a lot of people using a testnet, bro. And then what's like, I know people think Meld's not coming, but Meld's going to be all the same shit as Flack. Meld's going to be a legit multi-chain neobank. That one, I mean, its market cap's 37 million. I don't know if that makes sense or if that takes into play I don't even know if it's live on Avalanche. Yeah, I don't know that you can do anything on Avalanche. We need to figure that out because if we can earn Meld, I'm down to do that, bro. Let's see if we can figure this out. Meld, I don't think they're live. Look at all this shit on Avalanche. It has 1.9 TVL. Oh, that's probably just locked tokens on Cardano. Get early access. Yeah, bro. Meld DApp. Create wallet, restore wallet. So I don't even think they're live on. Yeah, that 37 million market cap. That makes sense. Let me check my email. Did you ever get your Meld shit, Kurt? You ever get your Meld invite? Because I didn't. Nope. Nope. So tasty. And breaking news. Lace now supports multi-address hardware ledgers, but it only does one wallet. So I had to choose one of my wallets, but it's getting there. Will it be my go-to wallet in the future? I don't know, but it's getting there. It does have some cool features. I don't remember how to open. Like you can look at your NFTs. I forget how to open. Oh, if you go like that, you can look at all these dumb NFTs I bought. I paid so little for these. I wonder if they're worth anything. Probably not. I mean, it's like 20 bucks in NFTs right here. I should have made this one my Twitter. Or this one my Twitter. I need a good Twitter profile pic. Diamond Nuts. That's not, maybe we should make that one my Twitter, huh? I like it. Diamond Nuts right here. I'm gonna lose the blue check mark. We'll get her back in no time. Yeah, this is a no-brainer right here, right? It looks a little pixelated, bro. There we go. I want a good picture of this bitch. Is Lace good? Is Yori? Yori's garbage. Lace is okay. I mean, Lace is good in getting there. But I use Eternal. Eternal, you got to be a little bit of a, Eternal, can get a little complicated. Is this on a computer or phone? A lot of people on the phone love Vesper. I don't know if Vesper works. It's a lot of people shield this one. Vesper, Cardano. I'm sure it probably has mobile. I don't really need, I mean, if it supports hardware, then great. Oh, it has an extension. Oh, I don't have it yet. So it's still kind of diamond nuts. All right, let's lose my, we're getting rid of the snack dog, and we're gonna add diamond nuts. And my blue check mark's gone. All right, we'll get her back in a couple days. It's not the end of the world. All right, we were gonna do, we're doing so much. There's so much to look at in Cardano DeFi. We could spend every day doing this until the end of time. MenSwap version 2 open. Ooh, MenSwap. Okay, so MenSwap version 2 open source. Increased security with 2 audits. Higher throughput, new features. Built with Aiken. Built with Aiken smart contracts. This is supposed to make it easier to build on Cardano. I wonder if they're doing Plutus V2. Show more. Please support the proposal. Oh, Catalyst? Everyone's got to... Does this mean they're asking for money? Come on, guys. Are you not making money? Like, why do we have to ask Catalyst for money? Harmony One was like that too. Oh, we want to build. Cardano, give us, or Harmony One, give us more money. Like, that bothers me a little. Does it bother you? Like, are you not making enough money? Do you not know how to run a business, or is this just how blockchain works? Oh, there's free handouts, just like the United States government. Take the free handouts. You still haven't gotten yours? Yeah, it takes a little while, bro. It could take anywhere from a few days. Mine took 3 to 4 weeks, right at the 4-week level. Poll time? I'm a little upset. I want to hear what's up with Plutus V2, bro. And why do you need a Catalyst proposal? Not to be a fuddy-duddy. TVL passes 100 million ADA. Nice. Oh, we're on Indigo. Man, you got an ugly logo, by the way, MenSwap. The emission range has passed. Okay, that's great. MenSwap open source. LBE version 2 proposal. Avoid front running. Aim to build an open source smart contract. Catalyst proposal. Now you just, all kinds of Catalyst proposals. I don't know. One of the problems, I think, to vote on this, you have to use Daedalus. And I'm not opening that shit, bro. Yeah, so it's just cash grabs. I mean, I don't know, 64 million. No one talking about, everyone would talk about, oh, Phantom's giving hundreds of millions for devs. Well, Cardano's giving 64 million. I think you can vote on who gets the money, you know, the DAO, the decentralization and all that. Vote on your idea. Can you do this? How to vote? Oh, it's an app. That's right. Catalyst voting. I have it. Let's see what we got. Disconnect wallet verification in progress. We need different glasses for this. I'm gonna pull out the old timer glasses. Oh, them bitches got some smudges on it. Man, I'm so freaking hungry right now. I could eat a bowl of eggs. Important dates. Your registration once voting starts. Okay. Voting hasn't started yet. 37 days, I think. All right, well, we can continue this here. Get involved. 4 challenges. Total budgeted 50 million ADA. Hopefully ADA is worth a lot more. Proposal submission July 13th. So you got, if you want to put in a Catalyst proposal, you don't got much time. Community reviews, community voting. All right, we're going to be paying attention to this. I'm going to, in fact, put a little link. We can get rid of that. What is this? Arbitrum open leverage. Margin trade. No, we don't need you. Oh, we got. An ETH long still on. I wonder how this is doing. Switch to margin. Up $73. Not bad. Paid $20 in funding. So I'm only up 50, or is that included in my profit and loss? It's probably unrealized profit. No, it's probably not included. I should have sold. What is, 15 minute? Yeah, we need to fix this because I was up big at one point. And I kept it on, got greedy. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Ugh. Liquid finance. I don't have a lot over here. On the wrong wallet. Vesper. I'm looking forward to trying you out, but I have zero use for a wallet on my phone. I mean, I guess I could look at my NAMI. All right. Oh, this shit. Come on, bro. All right. Yeah. I could have sworn. We're back to the 15 minute. What the hell is wrong with this thing? There we go. Yeah, I remember when it was right around here and I could have sold. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 days. I'm paying about $2 a day in funding. We just need a little breakout, 2K plus. I smell it in the air. I'm a little surprised with the way the market's going, actually. The crypto's not really participating. NASDAQ still up 220. Why is crypto not? Crypto don't like it when interest rates go down? My coworkers and I were using Yori a few years ago to pay each other for stuff. You got some eye medicine for me? I missed that one. Who did you dirty and primer? Typically, first cars, then primer, now this. I never said I'd watch primer. In fact, I said I had no desire to watch primer. And I've already explained myself on cars. It was a heat of the moment. I thought maybe I would watch it. And then I lost interest. I don't really call that a lie. I didn't say I promise you I would watch cars. If I say I promise you, then you can hold me accountable, bitch. Now that's the rule. Like playing reimbursement. Yeah. You would pay in Cardano? Were you the one? I know you use Yori. I thought Velez said he still used Yori. Who was that? Yeah, so you both use Yori's garbage. In fact, it deprecated. I would try Vesper if you want to. If it's non-hardware, hardware support's coming soon. I've heard a lot of great things about Vesper. I haven't actually used it. Eternal is on the phone too, and it doesn't support hardware on the phone. I even have Yori on here. Let's see. I mean, Yori's not bad, I guess. We're just sending and receiving shit. I have 100 Cardano in a Yori wallet. I don't know. Yori. That would have been lost forever. Actually, I can just go like this. Do I not have Yori on here? Did I remove it? I probably removed it. Let's see. I should just send this. This is going to be hard to send though. It's worth 30 bucks. Oh wait, I know how to send this. Send. NAMI. Receive. I thought. I wonder if it's going to let me send it all, or I might need some or will it just automatically take out the gas? Not enough balance. Next, we'll do like 97, 98. Spinning password. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm going to an awful lot of work here to get 100 ADA. That spinning password is not something you can just type in, let me tell you. Bitwarden for the win on this one. Lunny. All right, so we got I just found 108 in the couch cushions. That impression, yeah, I felt bad after it came out. I really did. And you're correct. I know you're trolling, but I agree with it. I don't know. It was kind of like a, where's my baseball moment? Where's my baseball? Anyone name that movie? One of the greatest movies of all time. Where my baseball? Does he say baseball or baseball? Where my baseball? Yeah, it is. It is offensive, and my apologies. It's all in good fun. I mean, if you want to cancel me, I am legitimately sorry. It came out. I'm old school, bro. I'm old school. Like, some of that stuff's hard. We used to say the F word all the time. When we used to say the R word, like gay, gay and the R word came out every other word back in my day. I've mostly beaten out of it. It's mostly been beaten out of me. Most people my age, they still say it nonstop. Okay? So I'm trying. Go after the people that aren't trying. You love those words? I'm sensitive to them. I'm sensitive to, and the reason the R word's such a problem is because of kids with Down syndrome. Down syndromes aren't technically R's, and they're the ones that take the most offense for the most part. That's my understanding. Best words, NA. Yeah, like, so there's something about Mary. How do you know that? All right, I'm not gonna go on that rant. Like, I would love to be able to say gay. That's gay a lot. It doesn't have to. I mean, that's gay. It to me is not really a slur. I mean, it like you gays or you gay. I like I'm just trying to like it's now the F word. I get it, bro. I get it on the F word. No, I knew there's still I knew your stance on those words. Like that's gay. I think that's they're just being gay, bro. they're being too chicky. They're just and I think that's only like the extreme gay community takes offense to that word. I would think the more level-headed gays don't give a shit. Now they might get fired up if you drop the F word. But I think your average gay doesn't care if you say that's gay. I could be wrong. I don't know any openly non-flamboyant gay people to ask. Oh, I used to work with a semi-flamboyantly gay person. I doubt he would have cared if I would have said that's gay, but you never know. He could have just been cool about it because he's from the old school where they used to like beat your ass when they found out you were gay, right? But Les got it. All right, enough about that. We're talking about Cardano DeFi. We've looked at Flack. I'm interested. Cherrylin fell off a cliff. Do they have an announcement? Testnet version, another testnet, huh? Singularity, Cointa, Radiant. I got some money over on Radiant I need to deal with. Indigo, Liquid. What's Liquid doing? They don't really announce shit over here. They're not asking Catalyst for money. Respect. People complain that they sell their tokens to fund building over here. LinFi, are they asking for money? LinFi testnet. With testnet, we want more people. We already know some issues we might have missed. We can make blah blah. I mean, this looks cool. The purple seems to be the theme over on Cardano. LinFi, if you want to test it out, you can. You Google Docs. Come on, bro. LinFi launches 7:38. Snack, got any announcements? They're all stupid. Who is this guy? Golfy Crisp. Tom the Third. Oh, he's got, that's a cool little snack NFT right there. If that's an NFT, I'm not sure. So I wonder why they don't do an NFT drop. That seems like easy money for them, easy cash grab. This is like a no-brainer. Do an NFT drop, earn snack coins, add another burn mechanism, right? Snack Coin 8 is officially rebanning the snack. Okay. I'm earning snack. Connect Discord, buy snack, how to buy, rewards. I'm not earning a lot of snack, let me tell you. Mm-hmm. 32, 32, 32 roughly. So I've earned 195K-ish snack. Snack's worth nothing. It makes this like, I mean, it's free money. And what if it does go to the moon? So 95, 1, 2, 3 times point, so many fours. I need extra strength glasses to read. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom. 38 bucks. I'm earning $12 and like 66 cents extra. But if Tom has snacked 1,000 X's, that's $12,000 you're earning every 5 days. Yeah, I'd rather be called a name than beat to death or thrown off a roof or put in prison. I'm not sure what you're saying there. Then I'm not sure. I'm missing the point to point, the correlation. All right, let's try and make it down these tweets on the Cardano projects I'm currently following. This is okay, bro. Like, what's going on here? Are you broke? I must have broke this list or something. 15 members. Why are you not working when I go to you? Twitter break. Ooh. The hell is that? Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Probably doing something stupid. All right, whatever. Let's just go to home. Let's sip on some Twitter. Quick update. NASDAQ up 240. Coinbase trying to make a comeback. Bitcoin futures up 240. Are we going to break 31K? Now, just go home. Go home. Let's go. Connect. Come on, bro. Like for you. All right. NewNet recently closed our Project Catalyst proposal. Decentralized GPU machine learning. So NewNet and Iagon, you're going to want to watch tomorrow's video. Hopefully I remember the Iagon versus NewNet. Iagon's really only trying to be a Dropbox, I guess. I have a lot of thoughts on that. I'm not sure. NewNet, on the other hand, is trying to do centralized compute, centralized GPU, and centralized data. So in my opinion, and NewNet's got a really strong team, really strong dev team. Iagon, I have not been impressed with, right? But more on this tomorrow. Maybe we'll start deep diving into it. We're going to be, I mean, this is it, boys and girls. We're going to be doing pretty much 24/7 Cardano. I mean, yeah, we'll check the markets in the beginning. We'll F around, we'll tangent. But this is a Cardano channel now. It used to be a Harmony 1 channel. This is Cardano all the time. And we'll look at Ethereum and Bitcoin news, obviously. I got big bags. And, you know, every now and then we might check some shit out, like Caspa or whatever. Somewhere. We can always, those are tangents, right? This 24/7 Cardano. There's too much opportunity, especially in the DeFi over here. We've been making it big. At least I have. We're making a lot of money in Cardano DeFi. bear markets and DeFi are really good. They're a bit of a caveat. I don't like they were really good the last bull run when we had that dip in the summer because you knew DeFi was coming back. So Cardano's in that perfect spot where the DeFi, oh, it's true, Ricky. The DeFi, has it not already been the case now for weeks, bitch? All right, so the DeFi and Cardano is just starting. So when these yield farms and farm tokens should blow up in a bull run. I don't know how great yield farming is going to be with each generation, right? Eventually you run out of tokens. Eventually they've already done their X's, right? And a lot of that should already happen in all the other chains, right? But there's an explosive opportunity that could be like this, like, you know, building of people just rushing in and FOMOing in to do it. PBX gets funding through C-Fund. C-Fund is through IOHK. Barabas is secured round for the next 2 years. Interesting. You got a lot in Paribas? I'd be careful, bro. Oh, wait. What was their market cap? Did we not look? They might not be that bad. PBX. Peanut butter jelly time. Total liquidity 66,000. What's its market cap? Diluted market cap 35 million ADA, like 10 million. Yeah, it seems a little. Yeah, I think we did see it then. It had to be in the list. It has to be around here. And what's going on? Is that fully diluted or something? Fully diluted. 10 million. I don't know how much of the tokens are out, and I don't know what its current market cap is, so it's too hard to evaluate. And are they on Ethereum? Migrating to Cardano? $11.69 rank overall. Circulating supply 6 million. Total supply 10 million. Oh, circulating. Does that mean 9 million's out? It looks like most of it out. So are they not going to have yield farming? 5 million market cap. That's a little rich for not having a product. But it's not crazy. It can definitely pump. I mean, yeah, I don't hate it if it's cheap, low. Like does Lin Ada show up on here? I bet it does. This only has 29 million. We don't know what the circulating supply is. It doesn't know the market cap. 6 billion in circulation. They will what? Oh, yield farm. So it's not 10 million. Oh, 10 billion. 6 billion in circulation. What does total supply mean? There's 9 billion sitting in like their fund. And then there's like, I mean, I'm sure there's tokenomics on their website. Uh-oh. Starting to have the drop. My fecaladian rhythm is out, your circadian rhythm. My fecaladian rhythm is out of whack. Usually I get the business done early in the morning before the stream, but it's been coming late lately. It's because you effers have me eating eggs and shit. Yeah, I don't see tokenomics. Features. Metaverse integrate. There's too much here, bro. NFT loans. Lending, borrow synthetic assets. Metaverse unlock. Metaverse plots and assets. This is a huge red flag right here for me. LP. Yeah, this is It's like everything. Any project that tries to do everything, I'm not saying it won't be successful. It's an AMM, an LP provider. It does lending and borrowing of synthetic assets, NFT collateral based loans. That's a lot of things you got to make sure is secure. That's a lot of vectors. It's a lot of attack vectors, bro. I don't know anything about the dev team. That one's, to me, if I miss out on a big one, I miss out on a big one. Right? At the end of the day, most of my money is going to be on the layer 2 and Bitcoin anyway. I'm just fine right now. Yield farming safe ass Indy and safe ass liquid finance. And I am looking forward to a few others. Right now, Paribus isn't doing it for me. All right, Dream Wonders. They're doing something. They're doing like Catalyst shit now, I think, right? Like he's somewhere right now. We're super glad to announce Mindplex Community Podcast. Oh, I wonder what this is about. I'm ignoring. I guess I've been ignoring Ricky. Spanish minister flies on a private jet to attend a climate conference. She then drives on a motorcycle. Oh, okay. She then drives on a motorcade and 100 meters she gets off. Oh my goodness, bro. What up? She needs a good drilling. Knock that smugness out of her. A Spanish minister. Yeah, she needs a good drilling. This is ridiculous. If true, this is ridiculous, bro. She should be ashamed. She should get canceled. Canceled. What did everything get retracted for, bro? I couldn't wait to go to the new stuff. Is Zuck on peptides? I don't think so. I doubt it. He could be, but I doubt it. He's never been fat. And he's working jujitsu, man. That's a hard-ass workout, bro. He could be, but if I had a gun to head, I'd say no, he's not. I can bet your ass Elon Musk is taking triple the dose. World Mobile Unleashing Human Potential. Okay. The network in Zanzibar continues to grow thanks to our deployment of additional air nodes. How many air nodes are they up to? 407, man. I can't remember how many they had when we last checked on them, but this is big, guys. This is real fi right here. Oh, here's Iagon. Let's consider how Saturn, they've got catalyst funds in for other shit now too. I don't understand this Iagon project. They want to be a decentralized Dropbox. They're doing a wallet and an open ledger. I don't know that we really need that. And then they're doing merit-based voting. Some Saturn, this thing just keeps like annoying the shit out of me. Reduce manipulation and Sybil attacks. All right. Do they probably have more info in their... So these are their catalyst proposals. They're asking for more money and they can't even finish their first initial ones. In my opinion, all right. An efficient, flexible, and decentralized custom query solution for Cardano. An efficient, flexible, and decentralized custom query solution. I mean, that seems interesting. I need more information. Reputation model for Web3 ecosystem that encourages positive. I don't hate that. But I don't know if you can make things like that work. I need more of a plan. Like, is this just... I guess that's part of what he was describing right here, but it's too early in the morning and I got brain fog. Aqua Farm. All right, we got to wrap this up. I want to go get my blood done before it gets busy. LenFi, private sale coming soon. What's this on? I don't know where LenFi. This is on Optimism, I think. It doesn't even tell you when your description doesn't even tell you what chain you're on. Claim airdrop. Oh, this looks like fake shit right here, bro. I'm not clicking on that. Hell no. Lend Finance retweeted its own tweet. That's cool. Enabling elastic search clusters. This team right here is... In this 4-minute video, explains how protocol twins are revolution, blah, 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 blah. All right. Good night, Cardano. Should we create... Nah, that's a stupid poll. Stack wants to rename Hydra Snack. No. I voted no. The Hydra team introduces Hydra for Payments, a dynamic payment solution offering... Here you go, Kurt. That's how you pay for your coffee. Fast trends, and I've seen this in action on testnet. It's very impressive. You can even send and receive payments when your wallet's not open. This is going to be huge. Huge. Oh, Ben Gortzel. Recently, Saint AE on Twitter was calling this guy a scam artist. World Mobile, Tap Tools, Iagon, calling out Iagonauts. Oh, come on, bro. Fluid. He's got fluid. anyone can name what show I did. He's got fluid. If anyone can name what that show is from, you will be the goat of all time. And you tell me he's got fluid. There's no shot. It was a great show too. Exciting news. We just 6 proposals. Man, you really got your hand in the cookie jar, NewNet. Surprised Tap Tools don't got their... I'm sure Tap Tools has their hand in that cookie jar. We should have put together a proposal. They're just handing money out left and right. The Rosen Bridge is looking interesting. This was based on a tweet. Where is the Rosen Bridge? Some bro tweeted that you're not going to be able to buy Ergo on KuCoin after July 15th in the United States. So KuCoin is requiring KYC, and his argument is once that you KYC and they see you're in the United States, they're going to shut you down. So it's going to be interesting to see if that's the case or not. Need a BTC. I'm kind of waiting to see how that plays out. You're going to be able to migrate straight from Bitcoin Network to wrap a synthetic Bitcoin on Cardano. Dr. Ben Gortzel. You know he's having sex with Sophia. There's a lot of singularity shit going on. Not bad for a scam chain. One of the greatest movies of all time. If you haven't seen The Wolf of Wall Street, you're not living. No stopping AIG. This has the potential to be at... Yeah, no, bro. This has the potential to be an absolute monster. In simple terms, imagine a decentralized Amazon Web Service. No, that's not. Iagon is not on anywhere near capable of scaling to be in an Amazon Web Service if all they're doing is file sharing. That is not Amazon Web Service. What Nunet is doing, on the other hand, is Amazon Web Service. This right now, this is nothing more than a BitTorrent client. Well, Napster. This is nothing more than a decentralized Napster at best right now, and I don't know that they have any plans to be. I don't know what your folder structure is going to look like. Like what I'm down to put files on a decentralized encrypted network. I really am. And I hope Iagon succeeds, right? But, you know, all right. Oh, your shit was lagging. Daily, what about getting me healthy? Getting Tom healthy? Oh, yeah, I saw this picture already. I doubt he's on peptides, bro. He's just working out really hard. I think he probably eats pretty healthy too. He does a lot of cucking, so there's a lot of protein there, but I don't think he's on peptides. He's he's always been a pretty lean person anyway. And if you're working out and you can lose 7 to 10 pounds in a jiu-jitsu workout, so that could just be dehydration. Look at him all swole right there. Zuckerberg. I just want to see some old pictures of his ass. I don't think he's ever been fat, right? He just has one of those bodies. 2020. Yeah. He doesn't. I seriously doubt he's on peptides. I've never seen a picture of him with a gut. Zuckerberg, 2015. Can we do that? Look, I mean, he's just a kid there. Yeah. He's probably got one of those fast-ass metabolisms. If he's on peptides, he's a moron. All right, everyone. 801. You have a great day. I don't want to go get my blood work. But I'm going to go get my blood work. We get to 10 likes on any of these videos this week. It should be every video, but get to 10 likes. We'll do Adam Jones Part 2.